It typifies humanity's lack of personal concern for others. Hey, fuck you, you inconsiderate bastards! You just sit there on your fat asses and dump on life indiscriminately. I suppose I should learn to accept the minuscule distractions in life, though. Oh, shit.
The sacred horn of Vishnu wakes you up. Do wake up, please, young Caucasian, because I have come to save your very soul.
What? Are you sure you want me?
It is not possible that I could be in error. You see, my good book here, it guides me as I wander through the vast cosmic universe of my experience. Please do wash my feet. Wash my feet, Caucasian one. Especially the left one. Only this morning I stepped in sacred cow shit.
Oh, wait, hey, wow, man, hold on now. I'm not really into washing cow shit off anybody's feet.
Oh, this is truly a bad omen. I, Jabral Ben Wadrika, son of the most ample, Jabral Ben Wadrika Sr., have been truly affronted.
Well, look, I didn't mean to offend you, man.
Shh. Silence. There is no need to explain.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Very nice.
The brass horn of Vishnu announces that I am the second of two, sent from the east, to also who is sent from the west. No matter. It was to cure those poor unfortunates afflicted with the leprosy.
Oh, geez, that's really a shame, because I've seen a lot of disease down here, but no leprosy so far.
No leprosy, no running sores, nothing like that?
No, nothing like that, no.
Oh, this is most disturbing news. Oh, but chronic backache,
No, none of my friends have that either, I don't think.
Well, then perhaps the dreaded dandruff or a very heartbreak of psoriasis,
No, I don't. I'll tell you the truth. I think you're a little late. See, I think that went down a long time ago. I could tell you a story if you care.
Well, if you could possibly make it short, because there is a strong possibility that I should be in Philadelphia.
Jesus, this stuff is dynamite. The eyes of my own soul staring back at me. I mean, God knows I've lived the best lives I was capable of. My minor infractions of society's rules were only due. Oh, please, Lucifer, don't take me. I'm not ready. I'll change. I'm already changing. Look at me change. Oh my God, what a way to go.
Excuse me, certainly, hello? You who down there? Excuse me, did anyone find an earring? I mean, I dropped my earring in the trash. You'd recognize it. It opens on one side. It's kind of a jade color. It's got a picture of Errol Flynn and Alan Hale naked.
Oh, Jesus Christ! Lucifer's a faggot!
Jesus Christ, my life is shit. I had to get knocked up. I could have had an abortion. No. Mr. Good Time Charlie over there. No, he says have the baby. We'll get married. I'll take care of you. What'll you take care of? It's a good thing we got Ralphie. Otherwise, we don't even get welfare. Will you tell me one thing you ever did for my Ralphie? You ever play with him? You ever take him to the ball game? You ever take him fishing? How about fishing? Why don't you take your own son fishing? You don't even change his kitty litter. Did you know that Dr. Spock has stated very clearly in his book that fathers who are never there usually makes a fag kid? You know what he does most of the time around the house? He sits around, and if he's not picking his nose, he's jerking off. How's that going to look when he starts kindergarten?
Suck my dick, huh?
You get out of here. Pack your things and get out. I said get out, and I mean it. Well, I'm still young enough to find a decent father for my child, you bum. All you do is lay around. Listen, I'm sick of cleaning up after you. And don't think I don't know that you fool around.
What?
I know it. Huh? You junkie, you hophead, you.
Are you kidding?
No, I'm not.
Oh,
Come on, I'm sick of seeing you sitting around here doing nothing.
Oh,
Green,
get
and
serious.
don't you come back into
honey.
ready to shape up?
Too much. I thought she was putting me on. Hey, she actually did it. That blows my mind. Hey, that means I don't have to go to the welfare office tomorrow. Jesus. Wow.
Had it good, had it bad, had it any damn way I could. Made a friend, lost a few, but I always knew where I stood. Made a deal, got a feel for the way the whole thing fits. Had a ball, took a fall, now I'm thinking I'll call it quits.
Take a good long
Wheels and spin, I'm back again. I'm giving in.
You're rapping with God. All right.
Get the chance again, I'll do it right. In my next life.
Got the clap. Now, some of my best friends, there he goes when he gets back from Thursday.
Had a change, but it's strange, it'll always remain the same.
That isn't bad.
Things appear and it's weird, you're afraid of what you can't name. Check the ins, check the outs, let it come and let it go. Live it up, live it down, live it any way that you know. Wheels and spin,
That's really a
back again, giving in.
Anyone finding
Get the chance
trashy record?
again, I'll
Opens
do
on one side,
it
color.
right.
Got a picture
In
of
my next life.
This is about the worst life I ever had.
Had it good, had it bad, had it any damn way I could. Made a friend, lost a few, but I always knew where I stood. Made a deal, got a feel for the way the whole thing fits. Had a ball, took a fall, now I'm thinking I'll call it quits. Wheels and spin, I'm back again. I'm giving in. When I get the chance again, I'll do it right. In my next life. Had it good, had it bad, had it any damn way I could.